name is Volha. I'm a head of marketing currently of Adapty and FunnelFox. I have I'm a marketing person, a lot of experience in creative development, brand communications, performance marketing, and all of these mixture different channels. Yeah, my last years were dedicated to company, to the great marketing team. We worked with a huge portfolio of the mobile apps. So basically, I have a really great expertise in trying to define what we can do better, when CAC is increasing every day, when IDFA appears, and so on. And yeah, also in past, I'm a winner of Jan Kannes Lines national qualification. Really love this fact, even though it's not so actual at the moment. Today, as I mentioned, I work in Adapty and FunnelFox, but today our second part we decided to devote to the web funnels. Everything's connected to this channel, so I'll focus on FunnelFox and opportunities that we have at the moment in this channel. So I'll go through the industry context for those who is not aware. We'll go through web funnel launch steps and share some challenges and opportunities we observe in the industry, and maybe you will have any questions and we'll discuss this. So definitions first. I know that sometimes there are different definitions in different articles and so on, like web to app, web to web, web to app and web to app. So start from the three pillars, like free user acquisition funnels, just to keep the definitions on the table. So app funnel, web to app funnel, and web to web funnel are three options of user acquisition we'll basically talk about. So the first one, app funnel, everybody is working with it, like the full areas here, of mobile marketers. Web to app funnel basically leads our potential users to the landing page and then redirect them to the app store, where the user keeps going through the same onboarding and do the purchase directly in the app. And the third one we want to focus on today is web to web funnel that consists of ad, then user goes to the landing page, specific landing page, goes through the onboarding. After this, after the onboarding, a user can make the purchase. And after this, already, user can go and install the app and use the app. So the context of this, why web is growing, is also kind of not a surprise. App Store is great. App Store is a great infrastructure for users. It's a worldwide known ecosystem for buying apps, and absolutely legal, proven, and familiar to the users. Valid billing methods. Pluses are we know them, but from the other side there are some cons, and also I'm pretty sure everybody is worried about that, is the attribution restrictions that since IDFA release, it's kind of difficult to attribute certain audience parameters to the marketing campaigns. High payment fees. App Store can keep up to 30% of the commissions, which make monetization strategy a little bit challenging. Not challenging, but you need to take it into account. Some kind of configuration restrictions that basically you're can use only what App Store offers you in terms of types of purchases. Lack of churn control. This part of the work of the flow is on the Apple side as well. I don't think people see me here, but anyways. And like high competition. Everybody know about that. So not a surprise that web funnels, like last year's, like is a rising star for marketing and growth as the new opportunity to grow the app revenue. So for several reasons, because web allows to have the right attribution. Like you have all the information that you need to attribute to a certain marketing campaign, to the purchases your user made. Higher LTV, because like it allows to be like that, because like on the working with the web funnels, commissions can be 5%. So comparing to 30%, absolutely amazing in terms of like the money you can leave in calculation for your LTV. Higher subscription retention. Basically, this funnel allows you to, to be more creative in the strategies, in the ways how you can, like, offer the user the additional, I don't know, win-backs, offers, and try different strategies of retention and like communicate them through the like pricing strategy as well. Faster revenue payouts. This ecosystem allows you like to receive money faster than like this money can be invested into marketing, and that means that you work and iterate faster, and I hope it means that you will grow also faster. And yeah, new audience and add inventory, so it allows to work with the other platforms as Google. So you have like as a marketing, you will have more opportunities to have more channels and vendors to work with. So, like proven numbers, also not a surprise, I guess, since 2021, like according to Mira data, like marketing spend grows 50% year over year. And I think that this year, 2024, I guess it will be even more. I'm not sure, but like looking that something is happening in the industry, it seems like that. But maybe it's my bubble, definitely, but let's see end of the year. So yeah, traffic is growing. Like a lot of products actually do a great job with this channel and have incredible results with a multi-million MRR. Guys from Blinkist, Zin, also am here today. I'm really happy that yeah, you can chat as well about best practices with the teams. But actually, it's a proven efficiency of the channel that were achieved with the companies and apps, product companies like that. So, like, understanding of the process, how like to launch a web funnel, like if it's like so, like if you have this opportunity, it consists of like four simple steps. Not so simple, but anyways, on the picture they're quite simple. First one is build a web onboarding, which should be like the way how you communicate with your user in the app. And we talked a lot about onboardings today at the first part of our conference. So the process is smooth. The process of building the trust is crucial. And this part and this funnel as well. Second one is setting up billing infrastructure that have support local prices, different subscription packages, and I don't know, offers like trials, discounts. And of course, in this case, you need to think about the integration with the payment providers. Third one, sync your users from web with the users and their subscriptions in the app. And after all, set up the any system that allows you to track analytics of your infrastructure and measure each metric of the funnel and overall performance. smoothly and accurately. After setting up web funnel, after launching it, next funnel begins its work. So this is like the ideal conversions that probably like every person will love to see after building the infrastructure and launching the campaigns. So at this point, like to achieving this, the optimization comes to the place, and a lot of work should be done with the optimization to achieve the ideal conversions. So optimization is a huge process, and basically it is the, the process of finding the best combo of 3 pillars, like creative, onboarding, and paywall. For this, basically, yeah, it works like in a performance marketing, but like as it's like another type of the funnel, you also need to iterate a lot, use the creatives that you already see that they top performing in your usual campaigns. Like have the inspiration, try to find new examples from the industry, from the competitors, try to, to find new top performers that will work specifically for web, because like it's still another channel. Yeah, also experiment with the channels, experiment with the targets, the same as we do marketers. I mean, when I say we, I mean marketers with every performance campaign. After this, onboarding flow. This is a bit, different than in the app, because like user spends his time on the web. So like, but the goals are the same. Warm up your user before purchase will be made. Take into account that this purchase will be made on the website. So user will, like, he needs to have this environment to leave his cart's details on the web or make a purchase. Also, like working with optimization of onboarding flow, like it's crucial to try different strategies of building, trust, providing personalized feedback, showing, some parts of the product, because like it's actually not the product. Anything that can be useful for the user to make this decision and like, continue his way with this product. Payment flow optimization consists of actively, of the active process of testing pricing, discounts, different subscriptions packages, trials, winbacks, and in terms of like web funnel, like this part of optimization is like huge, because like you have more options to iterate with, but from the other side it also makes a little bit different to find the best combo for your funnel that will perform the best. So yeah, here you can consider, I don't know, upselling, winbacks, for sure, like work with the local currencies and everything that will make this payment process smooth and easy. And optimization of infrastructure. Like the first one is, I know, probably the hardest. Yes, it's dealing with refunds and chargebacks. After all, also really important to find the best like analytics and set up like tools that will cover your needs specifically. And of course, A/B testing a lot, and work with every step of the funnel, like keeping in mind the optimization of the local metrics, but seeing like in general how your ROI of the channel looks like. So the process like this, we see has several challenges, main ones. In this case, really you need a devoted, dedicated web team that will cover web development and everything that is connected with the creating these pages to certain campaigns and iterate really, really, really fast. In this case, we believe that, like, it's not belief, it's information from our clients. The building of payment infrastructure, and it's also my experience as well. The building of payment infrastructure inside the team is also very resource demanding and kind of very important process that you cannot skip in general. And yeah, taking into account that challenge is do something with the chargebacks that could be in this case. Like also based on our clients' data and our experience of our teams, this process for in-house team could take up to 3-6 months from the start. I mean, from the start when you decided to launch a web funnel and till the end when you start to see any scale, and can take up to 200K. Also, like it's spent on the team resources and marketing spend in general. So, yeah, process is huge, resource demanding, time consuming. But after all, FunnelFox helps to start full web-to-web process fast and easy. And for me, actually, like as for marketing person that had this process like of in-house launching web-to-web, like having a tool is I was so happy to join the team and now being the part of person who can share this experience that it can be done also in 4 steps, but a little bit different. So with FunnelFox, launch of that funnel also takes 4 steps. First one is implementing no-code onboarding builder, and we'll talk about it today. Our last session will dedicate it to that. After all, the second part is just, you choose the seamless payment solution that already we have in our product, 4 options, like Parallel, also we'll talk about them today, Stripe, PayPal, or Band3. After this third step, auto-sync all the subscriptions automatically with the app. And yeah, marketing, tracking, analytics. Everything in one grouped infrastructure. So comparing these 2 options, we see also based on the experience of our clients and based on the cases that we work right now, the past half year, we see the difference in metrics like time and money. Working with FunnelFox, launching the web funnel takes up 1-2 months. And I mean here launching, it's building and starts in scale, if it's relevant for your product. And takes 20-30K, including spend on the including spend on the tool, and including spend on the marketing. Comparing to the in-house production, as I said before, it's kind of difference is great. Yeah, so my main idea is that FunnelFox makes web funnels fast and easy. We already have a great team, company of the apps we work with, and iterate really fast with the new options of the onboardings, because we work a lot on improving the tool to use the best in the industry configurations that work right now on web funnels. So we're really happy to see these, to see these 1-2 months and scale after this with our clients. So if you want to learn more, please scan this QR code.